I think I am really, really blessed to be in a profession where I get paid without doing anything, and people think that I am a super specialist in what? In understanding people. Why this business is so complicated that we have to hire hundreds of experts, spend millions of dollars in researching, in understanding people. Correct? Yet, 99% of the work which these marketers put out never connects with real people. And why is such a premium is placed in people who understand people? There's absolutely nothing special about it. Every parent understands their children, right? Why marketers who are also human beings, who also have families, who also deal with human beings, who have got children, who have got siblings, who have got parents, fail to understand people? Because most of the marketers are almost like stand fathers. They want their children to behave the way they want them to behave. They will not accept that children can have a mind of their own and want to do things of their own. Exactly the same mindset they operate once they go to office. And that's the reason why you see many marketers put either work which they think that youth should like. They feel that this is how youth are, or this is how teenage children are. And usually what is their image of young people? Usually what is their image of their own teenage children? They eat junk food. They play games. They misuse technology. They don't study. They don't focus. Love, sex, dhokla is the only thing they are interested in. Correct? That's the image of what youth are today. They're not interested in anything else. They roam around with friends. They don't care for their parents. They have no idea what they are going to do in their lives. They don't want to become doctors. They don't want to become engineers. Neither they want to study for IAS. What are they going to do in their life? Do they know? When I am 12, I used to do this. When I am 14, I used to do this. When I am 21, I used to do that. I have got 150 rupees salary when I started my career. Today they ask me 5,000 rupees as their pocket money. For 150 bucks, you don't even get coffee at Barista, right? So that is the difference. The difference between a parent who is not sensitive to his or her own children is exactly the marketer whom we are looking at. And Nandini did a great job in portraying. Of course, there are some smart marketers who understand all the things which she has said, but that's only an exception. That's the reason why 90% of the commercials which you see, or 90% of brands which are marketed towards youth which you see, are completely different from what she was saying. Only, like parents, if you were to listen to your own children, if you were to understand what they want, you will be at a very, very better place. Then your children will not run away from your home. Your children will not be frustrated. Your children will not do the kind of things which they do. If you give them, if you answer them what they want, and then if you listen to them, there is absolutely nothing different. Science, art, almost everything apes life.